There is an African proverb that says, until the lion learned to write a story, all stories glorified the hunter. Yes. There was a time Africa was profiled as the continent of conflict, disease, poverty, and war. I want to tell you that we have a new definition of Africa. It is the continent of opportunity, great potential, and a great future. Yes. Yes. It is for this reason that to have the first ever Italy-Africa summit, because it is now clear to all that Africa is not what it has always been profiled to be.